know that 3 countries are easing travel measures for Indian students? The US-India travel ban may still be in place, but travel restrictions have been eased. To know which countries are easing travel restrictions for India along with the US, watch this video till the end, and yes, like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Warm welcome from Brain Drain Consultants to our immigration information and news channel A to Z immigration updates. Let's see, what is the status of the US-India travel ban? Although the US-India travel ban remains in effect, travel restrictions have been relaxed. Travelers to India have been issued a Level 3 travel health notice, which means they should only travel for essential purposes. One of them is international research. Though US student visa holders are exempt from the travel ban, international flights from India are still prohibited until August 31st in an attempt to stop the Delta version from spreading. In addition, Indian students experience delays in getting a student visa in the United States. As a result, students are forced to design alternate trip arrangements to keep their study abroad goals alive. The good news is that some nations with highly vaccinated populations can now admit more students, including those from India, as long as they follow the rules. If you're hoping to get around the US-India travel restriction, here are 3 nations to consider. First, let's talk about Spain. In line with the US-India travel ban, most European Union (EU) countries have yet to welcome Indian travelers back with open arms. One exception is Spain, which recently reopened consular centers. You can currently apply online for visa processing at the Delhi center. You will have to meet certain criteria to qualify for a visa to Spain, be fully vaccinated and have a Schengen visa, for example. Bear in mind that the Covishield vaccine is accepted but Covaxin is not. The UK is also one of the countries that open its borders to Indian students. India has been transferred to the Amber List, which indicates that its residents are no longer subject to the Red List strict requirements. Indian students are allowed to return to their UK university as long as they quarantine for 10 days and test negative for COVID-19 twice during that time. Though vaccinated people won't need to quarantine, it's worth mentioning that the Covishield and Covaxin vaccines are still not widely accepted in the UK. So, if you're coming in with either, you'll need to get vaccinated again through the NHS. UAE is another country which is easing travel restrictions against India. According to the National Emergency and Crisis Management Authority, NCEMA, UAE lifted the ban on Indian travelers in early August. UAE residents, students, and professionals may travel back as long as they are vaccinated. You can catch a transit flight from India, as long as you test negative at the point of transit. You must still, of course. We hope that you will like our efforts to provide accurate information to you, and you will definitely like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And of course, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you again with another video.